let's try to make the viral Japanese yogurt cheesecake. Wala ko nakita nga 10% na original Greek yogurt. Ano siya? Greek style yogurt with 10% fat. So, open this up. Kuhaan siguro magagamay sa ano. Kaya basin mo apaw pagbutang sa Biscoff. And the other ingredient is Biscoff biscuit. And then you're supposed to leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours, I think. But it would be better if left overnight. Okay, let's set this aside and assemble the... Ditanggal na ko ang mga curd sa yogurt para dili mo ako pagbutang sa biscuits. Okay, let's try. How sweet it is. So far, that's how it looks. So, this is supposed to taste like a cheesecake. I'm going to put everything here. Let's try to fit everything in here. More. So, let's try to fit this one in. Nice. And, okay, and that's it. Put in the fridge for at least 6 hours and then let's see.